Blast your triceps with this one extension that comes with the Major Fitness Drone 1 Power Rack. So one of the first exercises that you can do with this, with the rope attachment here, is to do your tries. Pull it up. That's just one exercise. The next one, next up are face pulls. Face pulls, keeping your elbows up, bring it back to your face, and squeeze in the shoulders. Next up, cable hammer curls. Put it down. With this, you can also work your abs. Do some cable crunches. As long as you don't get cramp in your leg in the process. So as you can see, another one of these free attachments that come with the Major Fitness Drone 1 Power Rack. Very versatile, do a lot of different exercises. We've just shown you 5. If you like what you see here, smash that like button, subscribe for more videos coming on how to use the Major Fitness Drone 1 Power Rack. Also, there's a link in the description if you want to take a closer look at it on Amazon.